We're going to see Santa! Yay! Today I'm taking the pugs to see Santa! I know you might be thinking, why are you taking your dogs to see Santa? I just think it'll be so cute to take them to see Santa and then have the pictures printed out and to frame every year. It's not like I'm gonna do this every single year like I would with a child. It's literally just like a one and done thing and then a fun memory to have. My mom has 2 pugs as well, and so we're doing this together. It's kind of a fun mom and daughter thing to do also, but it's gonna be so much fun. I honestly didn't even know many malls allow dogs to have pictures of Santa, but apparently they do, because we Googled it and we found out that they do, and that was really exciting. So if you're ever interested in doing something like that, I would totally recommend just Googling it, because chances are there might be a mall that allows dogs. I got them some matching Santa outfits. They are gonna look so cute. I'm so excited. So the first step is we need to get the pugs dressed in their Santa outfits. I got Wilbur this little jumpsuit. It's so cute because it has a little hat attached to it. And then I got Lola a dress. And then I got her a little hat to match it. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so cute. So let's get them dressed. Look at it. You look like a queen. Oh, look at her. It's so cute. It's sparkly. Look at it. It's so cute. And let's try. So cute. Wilbur, you like it? Oh, so cute. Put one paw in and then the other paw in. Yay! So easy. The other paw. They have their little Santa outfits on. They look so cute. I think they're really excited. Honestly, they get so excited when they get dressed up.
Ooh, you look pretty. You look handsome. You're gonna see Santa soon. Oh, very handsome Santa, Mrs. Claus.
I honestly have no idea how my dogs are going to react to Santa. Hopefully they just sit still and they look at the camera. I hope they aren't scared of him and they don't go crazy or anything like that. I don't think they will, because usually they're really well-behaved dogs. The next step is moving all my stuff into this dog bag, because it can also carry Lola. And then I also have a little bag to carry Wilbur in on my shoulders, because I'm gonna walk around the mall with them after. So yeah, it's what I'm gonna do really fast. See, I just thought I'd show y'all the bag. It's so cute and she loves it. Wilbur likes it too. But it's literally so cute and it's the perfect size for her. Oh my goodness. And then it can have a little cover for it too, but I don't have it on right now. Yeah, I know I'm a little bit crazy and extra, but I don't care. I love my pugs. This is just a fun memory. It's a fun Christmas activity to do, you know? Christmas is all about the fun activities and stuff like that, so. And we're ready to go. We're all packed up in the car, excited to see Santa. We made it. We're gonna go see Santa.
Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase.
We're all here now. We're waiting to see Santa.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
We just finished and it was so much fun. The pugs did so well posing.
They smiled. They had a squeaky toy for them.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
And then they let us take pictures too. And yeah, now we're gonna head home.